Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about an upcoming premium residential project which is located in North Bangalore. The name of this project is TVS Sathanur, strategically located on Bagalore Main Road right next to the Reva University. In this video, we will cover the project overview, location and connectivity, amenities and lifestyle, configuration and layout and the booking process. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. TVS Sathanur is a thoughtfully planned premium residential township spread across approximately 10.06 acres. It's designed to offer a perfect balance between modern urban living and a peaceful green environment. The project features total 12 well-planned towers with a structure of 2 basement plus ground plus 12 floors, offering a total of 975 premium residences. You get spacious 2 and 3 BHK homes with around 71% open space and over 350 trees planted across the development, creating a truly green living experience. It is also an EDGE L2 pre-certified sustainable development which adds long-term value in terms of energy efficiency and eco-friendly living. This project is ideal for buyers looking for a future-ready home in the fast-growing corridor of Bangalore, with a strong focus on space, greenery and lifestyle. If we talk about the location and connectivity, so one of the biggest advantage of TVS Sathanur is its location on Bagalore Main Road, right beside Reva University in North Bangalore, which is one of the fastest developing real estate zone today. Reva University is within walking distance, which adds strong retail and end-use value. Yelahanka railway station is about 15 minutes away and Hebbal is around 20 minutes drive. You also have schools within 10 minutes, hospital within 15 minutes and daily essential just 5 minutes away, making everyday living very convenient. If we talk about the amenities and lifestyle, so TVS Sathanur offers 30 plus lifestyle amenities designed around wellness, recreation and community living. There are 2 swimming pools and a massive 32,000 plus square feet clubhouse built across ground plus 2 levels designed with a Japandi theme which blends minimalism and modern aesthetic. For sports and fitness, you get a double height badminton court, a fully equipped gym, indoor kids play area, yoga and meditation zone, mini theater, sky cinema. Overall, the project delivers a resort-like lifestyle experience, making it ideal for families. Now let's talk about the configuration and pricing. So the project offers well-designed 2 and 3 BHK configurations. The 2 BHK apartment range from 1110 to 1223 square feet with a price starting from 1.10 crore rupees onwards. The 3 BHK plus 2T starting from with a carpet area of 1510 to 1588 square feet, price starting from 1.50 crore rupees onwards. And the larger 3 BHK 3T homes ranges from 1892 to 2123 square feet with a price starting from 1 crore 90 lakhs rupees onwards. Now let's talk about the booking process. So the project is expected to officially launch within the next 15 days and currently it's in its EOI stage. If you are interested, this is the phase where you can get early access to better pricing and preferred unit selection. For brochure, updated pricing, payment plans, or to schedule a private site visit, you can check the link which is mentioned in the description. NRI clients from US, UK, UAE, Europe and Singapore can also connect for virtual presentation. If you are looking for a premium home in North Bangalore with a strong future growth, good connectivity and a lifestyle-driven environment, then TVS Sathanur is definitely a project worth considering. If you enjoy premium real estate videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and many more.